All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. Heat wave. Heat wave. Heat. Ooh, and wave. Yeah, heat wave. Often also spelled as heat wave. Heat wave. Yeah, compound word. So when it is hotter than normal. Yeah, very hot. So hot. Let's try and get it. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Hot. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Whoo! Yeah. So I like heat waves. Oh, very good. Yeah. But not everyone likes a heat wave. They don't like heat waves. It is too much for them. Much for them. He likes a heat wave. It is fun, and he can go places. She can't handle a heat wave. Yeah, no, thank you. She can't handle it. Yeah, it might be the biggest heat wave in a long time. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. He, she, it, they, I. So I like heat waves because I like it when the weather is hot. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. That was a heat wave. Yeah, we had a heat wave a few weeks ago. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. That was a big heat wave. Do you remember it? You might remember the heat wave in May or early May 2016. Maybe. Yeah, I do. Yeah. I'm going through a heat wave now. Yeah, so it is not quite hot, but it is like a heat wave here. Yeah, it's like a heat wave here, but it's okay. Yeah. When will there be a heat wave? When do you think will be another heat wave? There are often heat waves in the summer. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, summer. Not always, but sometimes. Yeah. Yeah. So, can you use heat wave in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by searching English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.